you got a Tupperware bowl?
Did you find it?
Right there. Are you taping this?
Oh yeah, I'm taping this. This is a bird that flew into the house. Very sad, it just wants to get out.
Where is it now?
Right there. This is my Marine Corps husband trying to catch it. Real successful.
I touched my foot.
Well, just going on all Shakespeare's toys, that's all. Just put the thing over it. Oh my God! My life right now. Get it?
Stop!
Really?
I just need some help here.
Okay, hold the baby and I'll catch the bird.
No, I don't need you to catch it. I need you to put the baby in something.
She was in something.
She was in something and you ran and grabbed her when the bird was.
Well, I don't want the bird to land on the baby.